Panashi represents all people who want to make this world a beautiful place through their actions towards the challenges we are facing in our rapidly growing society. The two most important concerns are women empowerment through education for a more stable society and a better environment through awareness for keeping this planet alive.
Increasing human population and increasing human insecurities have had a huge adverse effect on our ecological system, and it seems that we have pushed the countdown button to destroy this planet. Our forests are decreasing, climate changes are occurring, resources are rapidly decreasing, our wildlife is suffering, and even the species that we've had as companions for years, like dogs, cats, cows, etc., have not been well taken care of.
We know the importance of education to make women stronger and independent, so all our efforts are to implement it. And on the other hand, we believe awareness can play a big role in the environmental care.
Our Women Empowerment Program is an open invitation to those females who have decided to step forward to help themselves. We believe to have them irrespective of their caste, creed, religion or society. Our dream is to provide them skill trainings in areas where they are strong in. In a recent survey done by our associates, we had hundreds of women in touch with us to take their life on next level of financial independence.
This society is the witness of wasting so much talent due to lack of support system of equality. A system which can set up right moments for those who are in need of them at the right time.
Panashi wants to support all the young and talented girls through our scholarship program that will ensure further studies of these girls as per their talent. If you educate a girl, she will educate 10 more people in the society. So any talented girl who approaches us through our media platform or is recommended by someone, our panel interviews the girl, checks her potential in different streams, interact with her parents, and once she is selected, we are all in to help her for her school fee, stationery and dress.
We don't stop here, as we know that if girls are not going to discuss many of their day-to-day challenges, they may be distracted. So our Girls Education series, organized by a group of educators, helps girls to know health, hygiene, taboo in society, career, etc.
We all know that the biggest challenge to our existence on this planet is our environmental changes. And the stupidity of having control over nature and unnecessary use of facilities through commercial activities have made this planet a big basket of garbage with horrible consequences. However, if we sit together and think for our Mother Nature, we will find many things that can be avoided without much impact on our daily lives.
The use of plastic bags and cigarette butts is our most lethargic approach towards environment. Approx 80 billion cigarettes are thrown every day into environment, which leach nicotine and heavy metals before turning into microplastic pollution. When it comes to plastic bags, the situation is more dangerous. According to a report, approx 10 million plastic bags are thrown every minute. And if we can tie them together, we can wrap this world 7 times per hour. This can be avoided.
Panashi Foundation is focusing on land conservation and forest cleaning. One of the best examples that can be cited here is the cleaning of Nahargarh forest that witnessed many tourists due to its natural beauty and historical monuments. But the worst part is the daily pollution contributed by them. In our Panashi monthly cleaning program, our volunteers who worked on average 3 to 4 hours to clean all the plastic bags and broken bottles. In our last 5 programs, we could collect 1500 kg of garbage which was disposed in municipal counters.
We request everyone not to litter the forest, but can we all switch to a better option other than plastic? Can we stop reducing plastic? And can we develop a small habit of carrying a cloth bag while buying something?
Panashi also have great feelings towards animals, especially who are our companions from thousands of years. like dogs, cats, cows, etc. The irony of them is that they are not able to cope up with a rapidly changing approach, our lifestyle. We not only save them from the trauma they are facing, but also provide them a shelter till we are able to find a right place for them.
Our Jodhpur Centre is a prime example of how real care and affection can help animals. Our coordinator has saved over 600 animals, 40 of which live with her and 12 of which are disabled. As well as this, our worldwide feed drive campaign is an example of how, if we all come together, we can not only feed them, but we can protect our ecosystems.
We believe that volunteers are the backbone of any organization. So we need all of you who can connect with our philosophy that how we can make a positive difference together. So please go through our website www.panashifoundation.org where you can search how you can be an intern or a volunteer.
If you cannot be the volunteer, you can also donate and strengthen us in many modes. One is through our website donation page. Second is our Instagram handle Panashi_foundation where you can find the link and account details. Third is through our Facebook page Panashi NG.
You can support Panashi's causes in many ways. You can become a member and bring more like-minded people who believe in change. Please don't forget to follow us on our social media platforms. For YouTube, please search Panashi Foundation. For Instagram, Panashi_foundation. For Facebook, Panashi NGO. And for Twitter, Panashi11.
Let's come together and make a difference.
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 Let's come together and make the difference.
Let's come together and make a 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 difference.
Let's come together and make it.